They started again?
They started like hell, more than what they started usually.
Alright. What's your first name?
Let me give you my ID.
Because I gotta, so you want them trespassed and asked to leave?
Out of here.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna need an
He
actual.
actually drove out.
So he's gone already?
He's gone. So I hope he's not coming back.
Right.
And she was...
Well, I can't issue him anything.
I understand that. But I heard she banging the door repeatedly.
Okay.
We walked outside and he opened the door. She pushed him out, like basically kicked him out.
Okay.
And he ran and he grabbed the truck and she's still shouting behind him.
Alright. Well, she will be leaving.
She will be leaving
with the child.
With the child, whatever, and tell, contact you or whoever it is and tell her not to come.
Alright. Yeah, well, I'll issue them an actual trespass. I'll give you that back.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, just give me a few minutes. I'm gonna go get her and tell her she needs to start packing, so.
Yep, thank you so much.
Yep.
Oh, baby.
Are you leaving?
No, hell no.
Alright, well, they just asked you to leave. You need to leave.
No.
The owners.
They send a message?
Nope, they don't have to. They came up here in person. Let me put it to you this way. If you don't leave, you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
Can you tell him that? I'm just coming here with my daughter. Can you tell him that?
Who?
It's him.
Who's him?
He works here.
There's no one on that phone.
Okay, watch this. I ain't got time for this shit. Oh no, I'm a dental assistant.
Okay.
I'm not losing my dental license for this, for a night on the town for his little island friends. I'm not doing it here. Let's restart it. I'm sorry.
Do you not understand what I just said?
Yes, my room. This is my room.
Yeah, no, it's actually the hotel's room.
Okay,
And they
but
asked
who
you to
bought
leave.
it?
They asked you to leave.
Yes.
You rented it. You did not buy anything.
I didn't.
Okay.
My boss did.
Okay, doesn't
because
matter.
I'm on.
Are you refusing to leave?
No, hell no.
All right. Well, I'm not. Hold on. Stop
I'm
talking.
not calling
Stop.
driver.
Ashley,
Please
stop.
listen to me.
Ashley, if you don't leave now, you're going to jail.
That's what I'm telling them.
Get your stuff. You're out.
But I gotta get my daughter too.
Well, you haven't done anything. You just keep playing with your phone. You're not doing anything.
Her uncle took them. They live on the island.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do?
Go out there and wait for him.
Honey, we've been coming out for 5 years.
I
What do you
don't
want me
care.
to do?
It has nothing to do with that.
Okay, can you give me one minute though?
I asked you before to stay.
I didn't buy this room. I did not pay for this room at all.
All right. If you're not going to leave, because we're not going to go back and forth.
I never paid for this, but I'm not saying anything. We've been here for 5 years. Listen, we're here for Hurricane Ian, okay?
I get that.
Listen, just chill, man.
I am chill.
Okay.
I was chill the first time I came
Okay,
here.
guys get drunk on the beach. Just chill, man.
You're drunk right now. What's the difference?
I am?
Yes, incredible.
No, I've been watching kids all day.
Okay, you're stone cold sober.
I bet it on my...
Alright, well, you're going to lose that bet. No.
Right.
What do you think?
That's why this is my room.
Are you going?
This is my... Daddy.
What's your name?
Renee. Ashley Renee. Honey, they won't let me take the room because you guys everything up for you guys. Listen, I got my daughter, man. I want to take her home across off this island. I need off this island, man. I gotta pay $50 to get off of it. No, you're not here. You left. No, we're okay. You're on the way, love. Okay, we've been here for 4 years. Listen, they are right here. The same guys I seen last time. I should cook them dinner. We never have this problem. I don't know what's going on right now on this. I don't know what's going on. We ain't dealt with this for 5 years. I don't know what's going on, but deal with it now. No. But the same cops are right here. That's what I'm saying. Where are you at? Why would you take her? You can't have McDonald's. There is no McDonald's open, honey.
Hey, Ashley.
Will you please tell these officers that you cannot... Baby, please.
Ashley. Ashley. I need you to hang up the phone.
We are at the hotel. Yes, honey. Talk to the officer. He's right here.
We're not talking to
Baby,
anybody.
he's right here. No, he said, am I with the man?
Ashley, I need you to hang up the phone.
Baby, I'm outside the hotel room. Why would you leave me here? Well, it's your hotel. It's your island. It's your family. Here.
I'm not talking to anybody. Ashley.
You won't talk to
I
nobody.
need you to hang up the phone and gather your belongings.
Yeah, y'all booked the room.
Ashley. Ashley, if you refuse to listen,
No, I'm
we
not
are going to take you to jail.
listen.
You're
I'll hit my
refusing.
knees right now.
We told you to get off the phone and get your...
They won't. It's not my...
Okay, you have nothing in there?
Oh, it's our room on file.
So you have some. Or do you have any belongings in this room?
He won't let me. He won't talk to you. Here, he said it's the hotel. It's the island people like here.
I don't. Yeah, they don't own the hotel.
They don't want it. They don't want it.
Do you have any belongings in this room?
My daughter and all them. Yes, yes. We come here every weekend, and we've been doing hurricane relief since last December of last year.
So I'm gonna ask you again. Gather your belongings.
Gather my belongings, he said. I know, sweetheart. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I don't know, sweetheart. Oh, what else do we do?
Get your stuff.
It's hurricane relief.
Hang up the phone. Get your
He
stuff.
He said
Get your stuff.
hang up the phone and get my stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, the property pays for our stuff, not us.
Get your belongings.
He said, get your belongings. He pointed. Honey,
And I'm telling you, not the person on the phone.
he's telling me.
Yes.
He's taking my daughter for ice cream.
I don't care.
You don't care. Can you tell them?
No. No. I don't even know who that is. I don't care.
It's the man that is the name on the room that you're kicking me out of.
Ashley, listen to me.
Babe. Babe, I promise, please.
I think it's hanging up already.
Please hang up already on who?
I think it's already hung up.
No, okay.
Ashley, I'm going to say this one more time. Last warning. We're either going to walk away and you figure out your belongings later.
We're not from here, honey.
We're either going to walk away.
No, we dropped $1,500,000 on this. Why?
Hands behind your back.
No, it's my daughter. What are you doing? What? Why?
If you want to go down, that's
No, I'm not even from this county. I got my daughter for a birthday present.
all right.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? It's my birthday present for my daughter. Yeah, she's gonna slip. For who?
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. I paid this. Sean Lloyden.
Right there.
Yes, I'm not from this county. I just paid $2,000 for my daughter.
Good? Yep.
Yeah, help me.
Get up.
For what? For my daughter? Wait, please. Please, yes. It's my daughter's birthday. Wait, it's my daughter's birthday. Wait. No. I'm not a drunk. Hold on. I paid $1,500.
We've tried talking.
For who?
We've tried talking to you.
For who?
What do you mean?
And?
We've tried talking to you.
And you talked to my husband.
No, I didn't talk to him.
Yes, you did. On speakerphone. Yes, you did.
Wallet.
What do you...
Got your phone in your wallet.
Okay, but did you let my husband know when my daughter's 9th birthday? We just booked his birthday tonight. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? I'm not even from this state.
Watch your step.
What are you doing? Gia! Oh my God! Gia! Yes, I just booked his birthday. I come here every weekend. Oh my God, okay. I'm getting arrested for what? For what?
Trespass after warning.
Trespassing? I have a room here. My room is on this here.
You were asking
My room.
multiple times.
I'm trespassed?
Yep, now you are.
Prove it. Okay, Dad! Dad, prove it! I'll prove it! I'm trespassed! I just walked here. Baby, please tell him I'm
Talking
fucking...
to a sergeant. He's not your
No,
Get in the car.
Devin!
You pull away again.
Can you let my daughter... Baby, I just got here an hour ago!
Sit up.
Gia, it's her 9th birthday. I'm sorry, Gia. Gia!
Sit up.
Gia! No, I come here every week. A week for what? Jeremiah! No, I was in my room. No, y'all snatched me. Oh, you weirdos. Baby! Babe, I just booked a hotel room, babe. Baby! Baby, please! This guy, they got me like a slime ball, baby. No, this is my hotel room. I just bought this. Please, my daughter. I just bought it. They don't know where I'm going, please. Help me, please. Honey. No, they're taking me.
You're in the jail.
No, the guy that tried to take my daughter. No, it was a weirdo. Listen, I don't do drugs. Listen to me, I promise. Me and my husband, we come here every weekend. And we do work. Please, I promise, baby. Please call my husband. He knows my husband, please. He knows my daughter, please. We come here every weekend, please. They told me to go swimming with their kids all night. What is going on? That's my room, please. I took my daughter to a pool and I'm in the back of a cop car. Yeah. This is weird.
Sounds like a country song.
A country song, phrase. But too bad, $100,000 million. My auntie and them live in a $50,000, if not $50 million country home.
That's a very big.
Find that country song. Can you find her? Oh, you got a lot to talk about, huh? Can you find her? So where did you take me from? Where did you even pick me up from? Where did you pick me up from? Where? Where? You ain't know. I'm not even from here, you weirdo. And you're talking about my daughter? My own daughter? When girls are getting sex trafficked, you weirdo? What, are you gonna trespass me on what? My own family's property? Go ahead! I ain't done wrong, y'all took me! For what?
Did you forget?
For what? I didn't pay no rooms or nothing!